Get ready to die, you two. Oh, you ready for this? I got a nutback king sack and I'm not afraid to use it. I'm actually really scared. I can't do this. God dang it, this is really scary. No! Are you ready? Oh, should I go now? Okay, one of them down. Hey, oh, got one of them down. Come on. Come at me, bro. Gotta go down. Quietly. I got better armor than him. See, I got like full diamond armor. Ah! Oh, yes, my friend. We won. Oh, I'm good. Oh, God. Yes, we won. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.